Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see the AWS Lambda concepts. Function. It is a script or a program that runs in AWS Lambda. Lambda passes invocation events to the function. The function processes an event and returns a response. For more information, you have to see the section on the official AWS documentation, how to work with Lambda functions. But in future videos, I will show you how to work with Lambda functions. Moving on, we have runtimes. Lambda runtimes allow functions in different languages to run in the same base execution environment. You configure the function to use a runtime that matches the programming language that we are using. The runtime sits in between the Lambda service and the function code, relaying invocation events, context information, and responses between the two. We can use runtimes provided by Lambda, or we can build our own runtimes. For more information, you will have to look out for AWS Lambda runtimes official documentation on AWS. Next, moving on, it's layers. Lambda layers are a distribution mechanism for libraries, custom runtimes, and other functions dependencies. Layers let us manage the in-development function code independently from the unchanging code and resources that it uses. We can configure the function to use layers that we create, layers provided by AWS. Next is event source. An AWS service such as Amazon Simple Notification Service, also known as SNS, or a custom service that triggers the function and executes its logic. Moving on, we have downstream resources. An AWS service such as DynamoDB tables or Amazon S3 buckets that Lambda function calls once it is triggered. So the data would be in DynamoDB, or it will pull the data from the Amazon S3 buckets when the function calls or it triggers an event. Log streams. While Lambda automatically monitors the function invocation and reports metrics to CloudWatch. CloudWatch is the Amazon monitoring solution. We can annotate the function code with custom logging statements that allow us to analyze the execution flow and performance of the Lambda function to ensure it's working properly. So if we can relate a function code with the custom logging statements to make sure how the execution flow is working and how is Lambda function performing, we can report those metrics to CloudWatch so that we can see the graphical format of how the performance of the function is going on through these log streams. Then we have AWS SAM, which is serverless application model. It is a model to define serverless applications. AWS SAM is natively supported by AWS CloudFormation and defines simplified syntax for expressing serverless resources. So this was the short lecture I wanted to present you about the AWS Lambda concepts so that you are aware of all the things that we would be doing in the future videos. One more thing I wanted to let you guys know before we end this video: do not forget the https discusscloudcomputing.teachable.com. I mentioned this link in the description section. Go to this link and enroll in the free courses I have for AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, and there is one paid course regarding the Azure automation. And in a week's time, I'm going to launch a new course regarding the Azure web apps, which would consist in the beginning would be Windows web apps, and then in the future videos I'll also add Linux web apps topics and the labs in that course. The paid course, that is Azure automation, would cost you $29 or maybe $31. I forgot the price of my own course, I'm sorry about that. So if you enroll into that course, watch the videos, and if in 30 days you don't seem to like that course, and if it's not giving you what you wanted, you can ask for a refund, and we'll be happy to refund the payment to you in those 30 days. All right, so I hope to get in more subscriptions onto that paid course or on the free course as well. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share it as much as you can. Till next time, have a good day.